Hey guys, welcome to Jordan's Reviews and More. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video. Now it's not another Buzz Lightyear, I will get another Buzz Lightyear, do not worry about it. I will get another Buzz Lightyear. Because this version, yes it is the Tarakatomi, and I'll show you. The helmet can open. The wings can pop out. This one has trouble. So the wings are out now. Speaks in English and Japanese, I will show you. This is the English mode.
Why don't they answer?
Speakers in his helmet.
I like your thinking. They are a beryllium carbonic alloy, and I can fly.
And Japanese. Laser. Just turn him off. So now you know what that one does. That is just Toy Story 4 version. That's not a remix edition. That is just Toy Story 4. Right. Today we're going to open up. Let's move the camera. PAW Patrol Ryder and his bike. Motorbike thing. So you get Ryder and his bike. Ryder's a little boy and that's the bike. So this is not mine. This is my mate's. That he got from... Oh great, I can't pick the tape now. Because of my damn nails have been cut today. Yeah, I go to someone's place to get my nails done. She's not my partner, but she does my nails for me. She's very good at doing nails. Is that screwed in? Shit, it is actually. That's where I got my screwdriver for. How the hell do you want to do it? Oh, I see you twist it. Come on. Don't have all day. Ha, there we go. Twisty ties. There's the bike. There's his bike. Ryder's a kid anyway, so... Oh, great, now I've got to cut that off. Lucky I did bring my snips with me. There we go. Wasn't too bad. that. Can go in there, that. Can go in there, that. Can all go in there. Nearly smashed my head open. Right. Now it's been unboxed, ready to go. My mate does not like figures with items, but I just do not give a fuck, because if I get an item with accessories, I will like it. Look at them. So, here's Ryder. Looks like in the show. Arms move together. Legs move together. Head to 360. So how he goes on his bike. Okay, here we go. There we go. PAW Patrol, PAW Patrol. Goes to remove him from his bike. Just put the arms up. Remove. And there you go, you get right on his own. So that's Ryder with his bike. I'll put him back on his bike. And that is it. Ryder and his bike from PAW Patrol. There you go, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Jordan's Reviews and More. So yeah, enjoy.